How to remove rear view mirror on Volkswagen CC, Passat B7, Golf Mk7, Touran, Tiguan, Scirocco in 4 easy steps. To remove the mirror cover, you have to use a trim tool. You can find removal trim tools set in the video description below. 1. Remove the mirror cover using the pry tool. Carefully, you have to insert the pry tool in those spots indicated with the red arrows on the left side and on the right side, and then pull the cover down. On those spots indicated with the red arrows, it's where both plastic covers are clipped inside together. The clips from the second plastic cover are broken. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Here are the first plastic cover's lips that need to place together with the second plastic cover. Two, remove the second plastic cover, sliding it to the windshield. Three, twist the mirror counterclockwise to remove it from the windshield. Four, disconnect the cables from the mirror. When you install the mirror back, you just have to place it back and then twist it clockwise to be in the right position. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.